The law governing Waqf land is set to undergo a sea change. The centre has introduced the Unified Waqf Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development Act. This bill will amend the Waqf Act of 1995. The proposed law has evoked strong reactions and polarising opinions. So what are Waqf properties? What are the changes that are being proposed? And what are the concerns that are being raised? Well, we'll try to answer some of these questions. Waqf essentially means properties donated for charitable purposes. A person can donate a property as Waqf, which is irrevocable. The ownership of the property is then transferred, and this Waqf property is then managed by 32 state Waqf boards. Now, speaking of Waqf boards, here are some interesting numbers. The total Waqf land is pegged at 9.4 lakh acres. The total value, 1.2 lakh crores. This makes the Waqf boards the third largest landowners after the armed forces and railways. So what are the changes being proposed? Well, there are quite a few, but we'll focus on the big ones. Number one, the Central Council, which was an all-Muslim grouping, now, under this new bill, will need to have 2 non-Muslim members. Additionally, 3 MPs on the council need not be Muslims anymore. Number 2, the existing act provides for a degree of finality to decisions being made by the Waqf Board and the Waqf Tribunal. The new bill has another layer of legal appeal. The new bill says that decisions taken by tribunals can be challenged before the local high court. Number 3, the new bill proposes that no government property can be declared as Waqf property. This provision will also apply retrospectively, and in case there's any dispute, the fate of the property in question will be decided by a designated officer appointed by the state government. Number 4, through this bill, the government is seeking to increase the threshold of who can donate a property to Waqf. Only a person practicing Islam for 5 years or more will be eligible to declare Waqf. Number 5, Waqf by user. The legal understanding so far under the existing regime for Waqf by user is that a property that is being used as Waqf land for charitable purposes for prolonged periods will be deemed to be a Waqf land. This legal clause is now being removed. Number 6, the new law has also omitted Section 40. Section 40 is the provision that gives Waqf boards the power to decide whether a property is a Waqf property or not. Now, the sweeping changes have seen various political parties and Muslim organizations slamming the bill as an attempt by the centre to dispossess Muslims of their wealth. Critics also question the stripping of powers of Waqf boards and the enforcement of oversight and audit powers that the bill has blessed the state and the centre with.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.